How to speed up video in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut, import your video, and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on your video on bottom, and then you'll find speed beside split and animation. Click on speed, and then click on normal. Simply slide circle button on right side to speed it up. You will find all these options. After you're done, simply go back and then click on arrow on top right corner of your screen, add quality and save the video that you have speed up. And this is how to speed up video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.